Hey guys, it's Erica and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well, keeping safe and healthy. So today's video, I'm going to be doing another unboxing and first impressions review of items from Monica Vinader. So Monica Vinader has kindly sent me this package here. I believe there's a pair of earrings and a ring. So without further ado, let's just get right into this video. The box is super thin, which is pretty cool. And there's just a tab here that you pull and that's how you reopen it. So, okay, I can't show you the other side because it has my information on it. So this is kind of upside down, but I'm just gonna flip it. This is what is inside. Enjoy your 100% recycled gold and silver jewelry, fully recycled packaging, 100% carbon neutral delivery. The MV team. So I love that. There are two items in here. I love how they've packaged this. It's so thin. They're not using any plastics. Everything fits nice and snug. Let's start with this big one here. The packaging is different from the other one that they had sent me before. It had kind of like a sheen coating. If you guys want to check out the video, I have it linked down below. I also put a little card here at the top so you guys can check it out. So inside here, this is so pretty. And then inside, we have a pair of earrings. These are so pretty. Look at those. I do not have any hoops like this, so I'm super excited to try them out, see how they are. The other pair of earrings that Monica Vinader has sent me before, I have been wearing them constantly this summer. Nothing has tarnished. I mean, I haven't gone swimming with it at all, but it's still in great condition. To put this on, has a closure here. So, oh wow, that was super easy to put on. Ooh, I really like these. They feel nice and light. Ooh, I like these. I am digging these. They're so nice. I just put the big box back, so let's now look at the little box. In here, same concept. It is a drawer, so you just pull it out, and inside is this teeny tiny little pouch, and then inside here is the ring. So this is what it looks like. So pretty. I don't have anything like it. You can see it has a signature M on it. So it could either go on my finger here, or it's too big here, or my middle finger. I think it fits perfectly on this finger. This looks really nice. It kind of reminds me of like a bird's nest. Really pretty. Sorry, my hands are very dry right now. It's so pretty. I love it. So I've actually been on the hunt to try to find an everyday ring, and I'm so grateful that Monica Vinader has sent me one, so that's just amazing. Anyways guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you're aware of when I upload my next video. Thank you so much to Monica Vinader for gifting me these products. I really appreciate it. It was a nice surprise, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!